How to change username on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change username on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, you can just tap on edit profile button. And now here in the section, you will see the username box. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just delete your current username and change to the new one. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on the check icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here with that, you'll be able to change username on Instagram. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.